Welcome back. You're watching Market Cafe on ET Now. We've reached that part of the segment where I rope in my colleague Ashesha, who gives us the stocks to watch out for this Tuesday morning before going into trade. Good morning, Ashesha. Take it away.
Hi, good morning. So NELCO will be the first stock on our radar this morning. Remember, it reported its numbers post-market hours yesterday. Consolidated revenue from operations is coming at 82 crores for this quarter, indicating a jump of 49% on a YOY basis. Company has reported a profit after tax of 4.7 crores this quarter versus a profit of 4.4 crores that the company had reported same time last year, indicating a jump of 7% on a YOY basis. Surya Roshni will also be in focus in today's trading session. Company has obtained orders amounting to 91.27 crore rupees for supply of API SL coated line pipes from Bharat Gas Resources Ltd. We also have Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers, which will be in focus in today's trading session. Company has shut down its Phosphatic fertilizer plant on account of non-availability of raw materials. We also have Mastek, which will be in focus in today's trading session. The company has acquired 100% stake in Metasoftech Solutions, an independent Salesforce consulting partner in the American Southwest region, for around $76.6 million US. There is an earn-out which is payable by the company of up to $35 million US, which will be based upon some targets. We also have Tube Investments, which will be in focus. It has acquired lPLTech Electric Private Ltd by way of subscription to its fully paid up equity shares for an aggregate consideration of up to 246 crore rupees. Board has also additionally approved an investment of around 150 crore rupees in the equity share capital of TI Clean Mobility Private Limited, and provision of inter-corporate deposit of up to 1,000 crores has also been done by the company. We have Hindustan Zinc, which will be in focus. It is the last day to buy shares to be eligible for the dividend that the company announced on the 13th of July. Remember, the quantum of dividend is 21 rupees per share, and it will be the last day to buy shares to be eligible for that dividend. Sandur Manganese Board of Directors will be considering rights issue in the Board of Directors meeting to be held on the 21st of July, so keep an eye out on that one as well.
Okay, Ashesha, thank you so much for the whole host of stocks that we should be keeping on our radar today. But let's move on and go across to Vamakshi is here to give us the list of brokerages, what they are saying this morning as well. Good morning, Vamakshi.
Well, good morning, Vinny. Let's first start off with the telecom sector. So, the 5G auction bidding is unlikely to be aggressive as per Credit Suisse, and the EMD data is supporting Adani Group's stated intention of not venturing into the consumer mobility. Jio's highest EMD deposit among the telecom players is an enabler, and it may not necessarily lead to materially higher spends in the auction. Airtel's EMD, on the other hand, indicates primary interest in bidding for this 5G spectrum. And lastly, Vodafone's EMD deposit is sufficient to acquire the 5G spectrum, which is the minimum 5G spectrum. Apart from that, we have Oberoi Realty on our radar. Now, Morgan Stanley has maintained an equal weight rating on the stock. However, they've cut their target price from 893 to 885. Their first quarter results were a beat. Demand appears to be intact for Oberoi Realty, and they're expecting price increases, delays in a few launches, and slower monetizations. And on the back of all these factors, Oberoi Realty has maintained an equal weight rating on the stock. Morgan Stanley has maintained an equal weight rating on Oberoi Realty. Now, Cummins is the next one in focus. Kotak has maintained a buy rating on the stock. They've hiked their target price from 1,280 to 1,360. Now, they continue to grow portfolio in key segments and focus on indigenization, and Cummins is in fact the topic in the sector. Apart from that, Prestige Estates is in focus after Morgan Stanley has maintained an overweight rating with a target price of 6112. Now, the Q1 operational update was underlined by continued momentum in pre-sales as well as new launches. The company is also continuing to expand and monetize its residential as well as rental portfolios, and on the back of this, Morgan Stanley has maintained its overweight rating on Prestige Estates.